Hi guys, today we're making stewed chickpeas, hot roast chicken and bulgur. We're going to start first by cleaning up this chicken. Okay, so chicken's all cleaned up. Now we're going to start doing the seasoning. I'm going to blend this lot and then I'm going to add all this lot to it. Alright, that's the chicken all seasoned. We're going to set this aside and then we're going to start on the bulgur. Now the water's up to the boil, we're going to add the bulgur. Now that's going to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. As that gets to the boil, I'm going to start my chickpea. Okay, that's my chickpea on wash and ready to go in. So we add the chickpea in to the pan with the mix. Let this cook down for a minute. Give it about 5-10 minutes to cook down. Then we come back and add our bits to it. So the bulgur is nice and cooked. So we're just gonna get ready to strain it. Get rid of the water and let it drip dry for 5 to 10 minutes and add it back to the pot. Like this. Okay guys, if it dries down too much, add some water to it. Alright, so now we're gonna add, I have my masala, my jeera, I have salt and flavor enhancer, piece of butter, and some black pepper. I'm going to put that in. I like to also add some tomatoes because my partner, my mom, they like tomatoes. So I like some tomatoes in this one. So I'm going to let this cook down and I'll show you the results in a minute. I also added a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder and some seasoned oil and chive to the mix. Sorry. Remember to season to your taste. So you can add or subtract. It's up to you. I don't use measurements. I'm like my mother and my grandmother. I use the eye to measure stuff. So it's up to you. You add as much as little seasoning as you like. I've added some spring onions and celery to garnish. And this is pretty much it. I'm ready to take this off now. This is the bulgur. All finished. That's the end result for the chickpea. Alright, for the pot roast chicken, we're going to use some tomato puree. And then we're going to add the same mixture that we had before to the pan. So this is mixing together, and then we're going to add the chicken. Let it steam through. Cook. This is it. Okay, let this cook through. Keep an eye on it until it's all done. Just checking on my chicken. If it's too dry when you open the pan, you can add a tiny bit of oil to it to get the sauce going so you can cook the chicken. Okay guys, now we're going to season up the chicken. So I'm going to add some coconut milk. Just a little bit to give it a little bit of an edge. I'm going to add black pepper And then I'm gonna add some salt and flavor enhancer, not too much. I also have some onion peppers that are washed and cut up. I'm gonna also add that to the chicken, and then we'll let that stew down. When it's all finished, I'll let you have a look and see. So guys, this is it. This is the end of the pot roast chicken. I'm just gonna plate this up now and share it to my family. So guys, this is it. Bulgur with stewed chickpea, pot roast chicken, and a salad. That is it.